Nope. Nope. I've had enough. I have absolutely had enough. I am throwing down the gauntlet. I'm drawing a line in the sand. I'm calling in the law. I have had enough. Look, I started this channel back in September. I've made some cool videos about camping and campgrounds. I've made some tasty food for y'all. And listen, along the way, I've got a few thumbs down. I get it. It's par for the course. I'm not everybody's cup of awesome, and I get that. But there's this guy in Wales, like that's even a country, that calls himself Chef Ben. And he emails me after every cooking video with little comments like, "You call that cooking? Oh, I wouldn't give my dog that," so on and so forth. And I'm getting a little tired of it, if I'm being honest with you. So I tell you what, let's bring an end to all this tomfoolery, all this skullduggery, all this, dare I say, BS.
Oh! Oh! What does that sign say? Hey, you got that period and I'm slinging it, gonna break your face.
And let's do a little challenge, Chef Ben. I mean, you talk an awful big game for a guy that don't even show his face in his videos. Oh, Ben, I can't do it. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, Chef Ben is a wonderful guy, and he's a fantastic chef. I'm going to post his YouTube channel, and I want you guys to go by there and show him a little love. But Ben, I want to issue you a challenge. Playing up here is one of my videos. It's the creamy broccoli and chicken soup, which I think is fantastic. Everyone I've fed it to thinks it's fantastic. But Ben is a world-class chef. I'm just a fat old man that likes to eat good when I go camping. So here's the challenge, Ben. I want you to take my recipe and make it as per. Make it exactly how it is in the video, but I want you to upscale it so that you could get the $10 a bowl for this in one of your fancier restaurants. Do you accept the challenge, Ben?
Well, hello there, Mr. Eating Good in the Woods. I hear ya. I see ya. You've laid down that gauntlet. Bring it on. I accept.
I thought you might. So, here's the rules. You've got a week, Ben, and you can't take away anything from my recipe. You can only add to it. So I will see you, Ben, in a week's time. In the meantime, all of my people, go on over to Ben's channel, show him a little love, give him a thumbs up, like his channel and all that, and then stick around for a week to see what Ben has to offer in his soup. So, until then, ladies and gentlemen, I sure love y'all. God bless you guys. Go out there and be nice to each other. See ya!